is correct. Okay, so now we are moving on to question number 9. What is the enthalpy for reaction 1 reversed? Where reaction 1 reversed is this carbon dioxide makes carbon monoxide plus, I don't think that's a 12, I think it's like a half of an O2. Makes more sense. So when you have the enthalpy of your reaction, this is equal to delta H formation of your products minus the delta H of formation of your reactants. So let me just specify for this question. The delta H of the reaction is going to equal to the delta H of formation of carbon monoxide plus let me look at, just want to make sure that it's all correct. Yeah, so it looks like they have a different question altogether for the answer. So I think we need to write down the reverse reaction of this. I think that's what it means by reaction 1 reversed. Let me label this as reaction 1. So reversed, it's going to be like the opposite. So if we look at it like that, our product is the CO2, and this time it's our reactants. So it's delta H is carbon monoxide plus half of the delta H of oxygen. So these enthalpy values are given in like a chart because they're just standard for those different compounds. So the value of the delta H of CO2 is negative 393.5 kilojoules per mole. For the delta H of carbon monoxide, its value is negative 110.5 kilojoules per mole. And then if you look at the delta H of an element such as oxygen, it's actually going to be 0. So that kind of just cancels itself out. And then we have the delta H of reaction going to be equal to negative 283.5 kilojoules per mole. So I think that the junior tutor might have gotten it from like a different question. Okay, but it also looks like they got this negative 283. So we know that that answer was correct. So let me just write out the answer just so that whoever's reading this in the future will just be on the same page. So okay, so I have the delta H of the reaction is equal to the delta H of the products minus the delta H of reactants. So let me just write out what I did. Okay, so I just wrote out what I did. I think we have time for one more question.